Alright. So here's the tractor tire. Front tractor tire. Have trouble with flats. It gets thorns. Tried tubes. Tried putting slime inside of the tubes, patches, tire guards on the tube, and still get thorns in the sidewalls. Best recommendation I can make for if you have a lot of flats in your tires, go tubeless and get one with a high tread, real aggressive high tread. Keeps a lot of the thorns from puncturing too far if you get one with enough ply. My next problem is the rim starts leaking. So I tried putting rubber cement on it, tried putting JB weld on the outside, it still leaked. So I had a guy go in and weld around here where it was leaking. It was still leaking. So I took this bead sealer, there it is, tire bead sealer, coated all around the places it's leaking on the rim, coated all on inside of the rim. It still leaked, and see, you could see it was slow leaks on the inside of the rim. You can see the bubbles coming up like tar, like in a tar pit. So going back on the inside of the rim, put some JB weld on it, and we're going to put the tire back on and see if that seals it up. Otherwise, it's an $800 rim and a $350 tire. So I'm going to try to fix this up. I'm going to go over what I use to break my tires down. So to break it down and get the tire off the rim, this has probably been my best tool, this little tire breaker bar. It's got a slight dent right there. I've got one that's flat, but I bent it trying to get one off. And that's the bead breaker right here. It helps to, you put it on the rim right there and then smash it down and I break that tire off the rim. If that doesn't work, I get a truck and drive over the tire right here and wiggle that steering wheel back and forth, and it'll push that tire off the rim. Alright, so I get that too. I got a couple other pry bars. This one works real well. Like that. Lets me get a lot of different leverages on it so I can get it off. But now I'm going to use these and put it back on to the tire and show you how I do that. Alright. Alright, so that's our last step, is to blow out the tire. And so I use a ratchet strap around it to strap it down real tight. Put it somewhere real flat after I take out the valve stem. Just use a valve stem removal tool. This one works pretty good. I like it because it has the knurled grip right there. Where you can see it, but take the stem out, then I'm going to blow it out. So I just use a little air hose like this, and then try to mash it down tight against something flat. That's it. Tire's blown out. There's a seal around the rim. Bigger tires, like if it's the back of your tractor tire, I've heard of some people using starter fluid. Put starter fluid in there and then light it, and then it blows it out that way. I've never tried that. This has always worked for me with what I've got. If it gets to that point, I just take it to a tire shop and have them blow it out. But up to you. So now all I have to do is put the valve stem back in and check it for leaks with some soapy water. All right, thanks for watching.